Welcome back. Kevin's Mobile Repair. Got a 2011 Nissan Versa 1.6 motor. We're doing a radiator today. So we're going to have a valence, which is that piece right there. It's held on with some trim clips. Going to need to pop that up so you can gain access to these 412s. This cross member right here will not come up all the way, just enough to get the installation pins for the radiator up and out of the way. So this will kind of bend up and forward. I didn't take anything off right here for adjustment size. Just pull it up out of the way. That way the radiator has a lot more wiggle room too. Did it for taking the fan out, made it easier for getting the fan out as well. Fan, 10mm right there, 10mm right there, connector. Move the harness out of the way, take the 210s out, pull the radiator fan out. Obviously disconnect your upper radiator hose so that way the fan can pass by. Down below are two transmission cooler lines and the lower radiator hose. I used a pair of needle nose pliers in order to extract the the hose clamp far enough away so that the clamps can get by and take the hose off. That's pretty standard plain Jane. Going back together, nothing really specific. Just going, not really any other tricks. Oh, that bolt right there is going to be kind of fun to get to. I used a 12mm ratcheting wrench because this piece here won't move enough out of the way in order to get a ratchet on there. But other than that, there's not too much to this. Just going back on, just line up your dowel pins, put your 12s back in, and push all your push pins back in. I will have a cool little funnel tool as always, and I will burp out the air bubble. Oh, the overflow tank, take that out too. That way it gives you more access to get the fan and stuff out. Other than that, any questions or comments, please feel free to let me know.